Now then, I'm in Goole. Too cool for Goole. My rundown, okay, so I started at 1 o'clock today. I got in by the skin of my teeth. Bang on now, 1 o'clock. Normally I'm there at 12:30. Because I was there bang on 1 o'clock, a guy just in front of us got the last truck. So I finally left the yard at 2:45 this afternoon with the blue double-decker. Not that one like that on the left because that's a curtain sider, but I don't know if you can see there's another one next to it further down. Same as that one. I brought that one down, it was empty. Popped it on the bay for them, 216. Went into the office and there was already one of our trucks here waiting to collect the double-decker to take down. We're going to meet somebody down at the services halfway down. Honestly, again, last time I was here I was telling you I cannot remember the name of that services. Weatherby. Oh my god. So he's just got his load now. He's been here nearly an hour, which isn't bad, I have to say. He's away down to Weatherby to drop his. I'm waiting on mine. She said come back in an hour. I went definitely 1 hour. She went on minimum. I'm like okay, I'm going to hit break, no problem. So I'm sitting on a break. I'll go back in an hour, see if mine's ready or not, and I'll go down to Weatherby services with that, swap the trailer with one of the guys, come back up here into Goole with his trailer. He'll take mine down. I'll pick another one up from here, so God knows how long that's going to take, and drive it all the way back to Washington, and then that'll be me well and truly done. Bit yuck in it, it's a bit crap, but they've got 7 loads and 5 drivers. Sometimes you get one hit, sometimes you have to do the double like I'm doing. I did ask for a one hit because shy guy's getting out. It was a green light first, and then all of a sudden when I went back in he went, "Well, I'm sorry Steve, can't do it mate, we need you." So there's a lovely little canteen upstairs, same as the one down up in Livingston. And I just had myself fish, chips and mushy peas for £2.90. I thought I'd lost my card, I thought I'd lost my Tesco card, but it was in the bottom of my bag. When I got finished last night I was absolutely gutted. I could not get my bike started and I was so ready for home. Anyway, one of the guys sat on it. I tried to jump start with him, it wouldn't go, and eventually we got some jump leads on it. It fired up but it wouldn't stay, so I had to call out Green Flag, who were absolutely out of this world. Came about 10:15 and managed to get the bike sorted. It was just a flat battery. I think what I've done was when I've switched the ignition off, I've put it in park, because I've never had an issue with it ever. Since the day I got it, it was flat because it had been, alarm was going off all the way from Bradford where we bought it from. But other than that, once I got it started up, put a trickle charger on it, I've never needed a trickle charger once. Got it going anyway, got us home, and then I had this today. I was like, oh God. Anyway, I'm in a new car today, which was nice because I was sitting around for an hour and a half. So got familiar with the stereo and the Bluetooth and all the hands-free stuff, yada yada yada. Pretty well savvied up already with the car, or what the buttons do what. And Karen went to work on the bike, no bother, fired up, all good. So it just was. I'm sure it was my fault, so you can't do nothing about that. You can't blame anything or anyone but yourself. But Green Flag were brilliant, and it's all through my bank. It's mental. It's free cover with the bank. You pay a little tiny bit, but you get like holiday insurance as well for free with the bank. You get 5 call outs with Green Flag, which I think is excellent. Tracky suit, tracky bottoms, back round like you crap your pants. So he's agency driving the Stobarts. I'm surrounded by Stobarts. They're everywhere. Right, I've bored you to death. I want to switch off for a bit. I'll talk to you soon. 3 hours. Finally got my trailer, my first one. 3 hours. Right, I'm on the trailer. I met the guy in here, he was here. He'd been waiting nearly 2 hours, so he had to pull out. Otherwise you get charged for being here for your first 2 hours of free malarkey. However, you come in when he's seen us. So now I'm heading back to Goole with a single decker. Done all my checks. Everything's fine. I'm going to get back there for 10:05-ish. See how long it takes before the trailer is ready for me to take back down to Washington. This is probably, for the likes of me, shift from hell, sitting around like that. Absolutely hate it. cracking lad there I met, really nice bloke. He's got the same kind of way, but he starts a washing, comes here, goes back, drops that trailer, picks another one up, goes all the way to Goole, and then comes back. What's that about? See you back at Goole, pitch black, 9:20. It's not sad, dark already. Well, I've just got straight back in the yard and they've told me it's ready. Looking for 8:08. It's not there. Again. So I'm going to just stop. Big light on, landing light on, put landing light on. 616808. Came off door 211. Should be well, yeah. Where the hell is that? All your store-boughts up here. There it is, it's a single. Bloody hell. Oh well.
this. Get from top, get out of Dodge.